Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through how to track every dollar, every naira, right, that passes through your business. This is the first step in getting your accounting right. So let's get right into it. The first step you're going to be taking is to actually register the different payment channels that you use for your business. That can be the banks that you have, the different banks. That can be any method you use to collect money, right? The banks, and then an account needs to be created for cash. Let's get right into it. You click on the top left corner to bring out the menu. The menu is up. We'll go straight to payment accounts right here, payment account. And we'll click on list accounts, These are the processing. We can see we have no accounts yet, right? How do we add an account? We click on add. The add button, once you click on it, it's going to pop up add account. The two important info that we need to fill in is the name and the account number. And then we save it. Name can be money points. Account number can be 534 and all that, right? Just go. We don't need to fill the account type because it's not so important. We just go right to save it. Opening balance is not very important, just save. Opening balance is actually talking about what money do you have in that account right now, which I feel is not really important for this. Once we click save, we've added money points right here. Then we can add another account by clicking on add. You can call it FCMB and then write the account 23 number, right? And for this opening balance, if the account is exclusively for business purposes and any money that comes out of it is just based on business, you can actually add the balance that you have in it right now just to 4,300,000 right here, and then save. We can add as much account as we want, but there is something we need to note. We have to add an account exclusively for cash payment by clicking on add. If we want to track our cash payment to the letter, we can actually add cash, right? And you can put in probably 000. Cash has no account number, right? And we can save it. So we've added money point, FCMB, and an account to receive cash payments. And if we scroll up, you'll see right here, there's a notification saying total 3 payments not linked with any account. View details. This is telling us that we have been making sales. We've made 3 sales so far, but we've not linked it to any account. So right here, we can just view details and go link those transactions to specific accounts, right? And the purpose of this, we already know. We want to make sure that everything is accounted for. So you can see those 3, purchase, sell, return, right? You can easily link an account. Probably for this sell, let me link. Let's say they paid into money points. Save. Great. Linking account is totally optional. We have gone through the process of adding our payment accounts by going to the top left menu and clicking on list account, and then we added the accounts by clicking on add. This is the first step in making sure that every naira is being accounted for. Right? I'm going to cancel. Now, after adding these accounts, the next step is to actually go ahead to the POS and start making sales. But we know that for every sale we make, we have to link it to a specific account. Let's assume that someone wants to buy Apple cider, right? 2, the person probably paid with bank transfer, right? As soon as you select the payment method, it will ask you for the payment account that the customer paid into, which is payment account right here. You can see the 3 accounts that we have created: MoneyPoint, FCMB, and cash. Once we select the particular account, then we can finalize the payment. After this is done, you can always go back to the different accounts that you have to check out the different transactions that occurred on each of the accounts. And I'm going to be going there by going to payment account and then payment account report right here. So we can see now that if we select any account from the filter, for example, MoneyPoint, it should show us here that we had by 11:24 a.m. 66,000 entering into MoneyPoint, right, by a customer. If we select the other account, FCMB, it's going to show us, 12:17 p.m. 16,000 by a particular customer. It's going to list it throughout the day, and at the end of the day, we know exactly how much came into each of the accounts. For cash, I don't think we have any cash so far. As you can see, it's showing nothing for cash. And you can always select this date range to change the day that you want to get an account for. And don't forget, it would always tell us that specific transactions are not yet linked. Anytime we go to that menu and we list accounts, it will show us the amount of transactions that has not been linked to any account. As you can see, total payment not linked with any account. So this way, we know exactly the amount of payments flowing in and out, and then which accounts they are going in or out from. Thank you very much.